Hi, I'm Maluko. Today I'm going to make some French toast. It is very cute, easy. Even someone who is not good at cooking can make it perfectly. So I always make some French toast as my afternoon tea. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Prepare 2 slices of toast. 200 ml milk. Prepare 2 eggs. Blend the egg well. Then add the egg into the milk. Then add 20 grams of sugar. Blend well. I made a container by aluminum foil, but if you have a suitable plate, please use it. Put the toast into container. Then add the egg milk liquid. Soaking the toast in about 10 minutes until there is no liquid be left. Then you can prepare some fruits. I used kiwi and blueberry. Blueberry is very cute as decoration of French toast. Fry the toast with low heat in about 2 minutes. Fry the other side. It's ready. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave your comment.